Well, hello everybody. It's Lisa Freeman here again from stampingwithlisa.com, and thank you for joining me on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. I just wanted to show you another cute video using the A Touch of Ink stamp set from sale-abration. That starts in just about a week. I'm really excited. I can't wait because I love sale-abration. It's really sale-abration, but you spell it S-A-L-E instead of the regular way, but I just call it sale-abration. It's really sale-abration though. But anyway, if you joined me yesterday, then you saw that I made these, well, this card really. I showed you both of these and they were pretty much the exact same, except this one has this background paper and this one has this. They're both from the hydrangea set. And so I wanted to show you the Hummingbird today, which is also from that stamp set. So in the stamp set you get the butterfly and the hummingbird, and they're both bigger than this. They're shown at 65%, so they're bigger. So like this is the hummingbird compared to how big it is in the picture. So it's a lot bigger than it looks. And it's a two-step stamping set. And I'm only doing the one step because I'm coloring with the Stampin' Blends today. And that's what I did with the butterfly yesterday. I used the Stampin' Blends to color that. So let me get my computer set up for a second real quick. Hold on, it's not showing me the video. Hold on one sec. That's showing me yesterday's video. Gotta click on the right one. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let me get this straight because it's crooked and put that over. All right, so we're gonna be making this one. These are the exact same card, except this one has the hummingbird, this one has the butterfly. The measurements are just a teeny bit different, but same paper. This one I did the ribbon. This one is 3x3 for the blue. This one is 3x2.5, so it's a little bit smaller piece. But you could cut this one down if you wanted to, or just use those words. I just had to have a little bit bigger for those words for the butterfly. But basic concept, same as yesterday. So yesterday we used the blues and the purples, and today we're going to be using the blues and the greens. And this is also another one I did the other day, and this is using the yellow. This is So Saffron, and I'm pretty sure that was Flirty Flamingo. And I just did the So Saffron here, the Flirty Flamingo here, and then I think that was the light and the dark So Saffron. So basic concept is the same for all of these cards. I just sat and I stamped a giant piece of white cardstock with butterflies and the hummingbirds, and I just colored them all in different colors and then kind of matched up the papers to go with them. So that's probably the easiest way to do it because there's pretty much a paper to go with everything. So I really liked the purple and the blues, and I love that hydrangea paper. It matches really, really well. And this one, this paper is actually in the same set as this one, and it's also in the sale-abration. So I know I'm kind of jumping all over the place. This one is in the sale-abration catalog, and it is free with a $100 or more order. And the paper that comes with this is free with a $50 or more order. And let me show you this paper. It's a floral print. I don't know why I can't see comments today. Hold on. If you were watching, please give me a comment because I can't see anything right now. All right, so this is the first one. You get 2 of each sheet. And then this is the next one. This is the one I used for that card right here. That one is really pretty. And then I've got this one with the like daisies on it. That'd be really pretty with the saffron and maybe, I don't know if that's Flirty Flamingo or not. Let me see. You know, it tells you on the back which colors they use. So Bumblebee, Cherry Cobbler, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Shaded Spruce, So Saffron, and Whisper White. So that's probably Flirty Flamingo. And then we've got this one with the daisies. This is the one that I'm using today, which I love that color, the colors in that one. And then that's the same one. And then this one. And then on the back is just, you know, kind of plain designs. But it's really pretty paper, and you can use it with any stamp set, but it kind of comes with this stamp set. All right, so let me show you what you need to get started. So I'm going to be showing you the hummingbird today, but same concept. We're using the same colors as that butterfly. So here's what you need. We've got the Misty Moonlight 5.5 by 8.5, the designer paper that I just showed you, 5 1/4 by 4, a Misty Moonlight 3 by 2.5, and Whisper White 2 3/4 by 2 1/4. So if you want to take a screenshot of that real quick, we can get started. And I will stamp for you. Hey, Deborah. You're always so good enjoying me. How you doing? And yesterday, I totally forgot to show you one step. I finished filming, and then I was like, oh, shoot, I forgot the last step. I don't know if you can see that on here. I sponged the Seaside Spray ink with this new blending brush that we have. So I'm going to do that today and show you how to do it. So if you saw yesterday's video, I also did it on this one. And I also did the little sprinkles, but I forgot until I turned off the video. And then I was like, shoot, too late now. So don't let me forget today. So these are the pieces. Let's just take off the Post-its and get started. So the only thing we have to stamp on is this piece right here. And it's going to go straight across. I'm going to do the hummingbird first. And we're using Memento Black. And I'm just going to ink it up. It's so much nicer out today than yesterday. Yesterday was freezing cold. But today is really, really nice. Alright, so I'm going to pull it towards me just a little bit so I can kind of get it centered here. And boom. And hopefully that came out good. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. All right, and then I'm also going to do the words while I've got the black. So this is also in Memento. And I'm just going to stamp them right here in the bottom corner. There you go. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, so now we're going to color. So today's colors are almost the same as yesterday. I've still got these two blues we used yesterday, which are dark Seaside Spray and light Misty Moonlight. And then today I'm adding light Shaded Spruce. So I'm going to start with the Shaded Spruce. And I'm just going to color the head that color. And I don't know what color hummingbirds are. I kind of looked online for pictures of hummingbirds, and they actually come in all different colors. So I don't think it really matters what color you color them. So I'm going to do the underbelly also in that color. And then just a little bit of the wings. And then I'm going to do the darker color, the light Misty Moonlight. And I'm going to do that for the outside. And remember, this always dries a little bit lighter than it is when you start. And you really want to use a light touch with these markers. You don't have to press hard at all. They are really, really nice to work with. If you don't have them, they are awesome. And they're also some on sale on the clearance rack right now for $1.80 per piece, per each one. They used to be sold separately, individually, but now they're sold as a pair with the light and the dark. So I guess they're getting rid of the single ones. Alright, so that's the Misty Moonlight. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend everything with the dark Seaside Spray. So I'm going to kind of come over that part and blend it. And go over this and blend it. And then I'm just going to go over this under part, right over top of that green. And just give it kind of a teal color almost. And just a little bit of that wing. And that's so pretty. I love the blues and the greens together. Hopefully I didn't just get my head in the camera. I bent over. Okay, Debbie. All right, so that's pretty much it for the coloring. And you know, if you want to, like if you want to create some lighter areas, you know, to give it kind of like a 3D look, if you want to just take this as the color eraser, color lifter, you can just go a little bit lighter and it'll take off some of the color anywhere you want. So if you want to do that, you can. You don't have to. I mean, it looks pretty good like it is, but see how that takes the color right off of there and just gives it a little bit of different look to it. And if you mess up, this thing is great. Like I got a blob right there when I was doing the other one the other day, and I just took this on there. It took the color right off. So isn't that pretty how it does that when you just take it a little bit? It just lightens it right up. I just love that. Yeah, let's make the tail a little bit lighter too. And it'll just dry. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. All right, so now we're gonna add the sprinkles and some sponging. So this is what I forgot yesterday. So if you look at yesterday's video on YouTube or my website on Facebook, you can find it. All right, so what you're gonna do, these are our new blending brushes. You get 3 in a pack for $12. They are super, oh, yummy. I just love it. It's like so soft. It's like the softest shirts you have. And they're actually originally made for makeup, I think, but then people found out that they work great for blending and sponging kind of, and you don't get your fingers all dirty. So you can just kind of rub a little bit on here, and then I just kind of dab it a little bit, and then just go around. It doesn't really matter which direction you go. Get a little bit more. You don't want to go straight from the ink pad here, because then you might get a blob on there. But it just gives a real subtle color to it. It's much easier than sponges, because some people, not me because I don't have any nails, but if you have long nails and use the sponges, sometimes you dab it and you get your fingernail on that and it messes your picture up. So see, we got a little bit of color on here, so it's just real subtle. And then we're going to take these little sprinkles, and I'm just going to add a few little sprinkles on here. So there you go. And then we're gonna do Wink of Stella again. Except, oh, I don't know if I brought mine. Uh-oh, maybe this is it. I know one of these is empty. Let me see if there's anything left in here. Oh, good. This one has sparkle. Just waiting for the catalog. I know, me too. I always send myself one to kind of gauge when they're coming out. And I haven't got one either. And I saw a picture on Facebook yesterday. Somebody took of a post office somewhere where there was just like hundreds of boxes full of packages just sitting there. And I said, well, there's half of people's Christmas presents just sitting at the post office, because I know my daughter sent me a present for Christmas and it was supposed to be here the 14th and I still haven't gotten it yet. So I don't know if it got lost or it just keeps saying in transit late for 2 weeks now. So I'm thinking I'm probably not going to get it, but I'm still crossing my fingers. Maybe I will. I don't know. All right, so let's put it together. I'm just going to use some Tombow glue. And see how that Stampin' Blend goes right through the paper? So make sure you always have something underneath it so you don't get it on your table. All right, press that down. And then we're going to put this on with dimensionals, but I want to put some ribbon on first. And this ribbon today that I'm using is the 2020 to 2022 in color ribbon in Misty Moonlight, which is really pretty and matches this perfectly. So I'm just going to cut a piece a little bit longer on both sides. This is how you do the faux knot. And then put it down maybe like a third of the way to the bottom and tape it to the back. And then I'm just going to use the Tombow glue. Make sure it's straight on the front. Looks good. And then put that down on your Misty Moonlight piece. Get it straight. I like this glue because it gives you like an extra minute. If you get it crooked, you can kind of move it. Whereas the other glues sometimes don't give you that leeway. You know, if you mess up and you get it crooked, you're just stuck with it. Then we're going to put another piece under here and just tie a little knot. And voila. And this works for bows too. If you wanted to do a bow, you could do a bow. I'm just going to do a little knot and trim it. And these are our old ribbon scissors, which I really, really miss. I don't know why they stopped selling them, because they are super good. They cut the ribbon perfectly. All right, so that's that. Then I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of here. Oh, hey, Margaret, thank you. I love this paper, too. All right. Oh, Deborah, your sister didn't get the packages you sent either? 3 weeks ago, dang. I know, I don't know what's up with the post office. I think they're just really short-handed. But it's kind of sad that, I don't know why FedEx and UPS seem to get their packages on time, but the post office can't. All right, so I think that's it. I don't think I forgot anything today. So, same basic principle as yesterday's video, but I wanted to show you the Hummingbird. So these are the two, pretty much exactly the same cards. And if you didn't see yesterday's, here's these two from yesterday. Let me switch them around. So we got a short and a long. And then this one is the one that I also did the other day. I'm not doing a video on this because it's exactly the same, just different colors and different paper. So you can pretty much just stamp a bunch of these butterflies and hummingbirds, color them all at once, and then just pop them on this paper. I mean, whatever paper you want, as long as it goes with the colors. Or just pick a designer paper you like and just pick out 2 or 3 colors in there and do your butterfly those colors. It's really easy. This stamp set is so easy to use. I just love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks, Deborah. Thanks for joining me today on Sunday. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you want to get anything that I've showed today, you got to wait till January 5th because pretty much everything I showed is in the new Spring Mini or Celebration. And they both start January 5th. But put it on your wish list. And once you get your wish list, January 5th, just go to stampingwithlisa.com, place your order. And if it's over $50, you get 1 free Celebration gift. If it's over $100, you get 2 or this stamp set, which is with $100. So this is like a double Celebration. You have to do $100 to get this one. So basically this is a $150 card. I love that. So these sets are free, but you got to spend $150 to get it. So that's why I love Celebration. You get lots of free stuff, but you got to spend some money to get it. But it's worth it in the end. So anyway, if you are watching on my YouTube channel or this one on Facebook, please like and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And also, if you're on YouTube, subscribe to my channel and then hit the bell to get notified every time I do a new video, so you'll be the first to see it. And I just thank you so much. I love having people watch while I'm doing it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.